What can you do to prevent phone hacking? Eliminating phone hacking is impossible, especially because there are companies out there who offer hacking as a service. But you can reduce chances of ever being phone hacked by observing a few rules. Number 1. Prevent phone hacking through passwords. Here are some password tips to reduce chances of being phone hacked. Turn on password protection for your voicemail. Never use the same password for more than one account. Change your phone's default passwords. Avoid passwords that are easy to guess. For example, your birth year can easily be found on your Facebook page. Change your system passwords on a regular basis. Number 2. Switch off your phone. This is not the most popular option, but if you don't need to be reachable at all the times, consider this option. Number 3. Keep your phone updated. New phone hack prevention mechanisms are released now and then as phone companies try to keep up with phone hack prevention. It's a good idea to keep your phone updated. Number 4. Phone security. Remotely lock your phone. Remotely format and wipe your phone. Get the location and information of the new SIM inserted in the phone. Number 5. Turn off Bluetooth. Some phone hacking is accomplished via Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth service when not using it. Number 6. Turn off voicemail service running on your provider. Some providers allow access to your voicemail without requiring a password, provided that the calling number, caller ID, is actually yours. This is usually to make their service easier to use for the intended persons. A hacker can spoof your number and call the voicemail number on your provider and operate your voicemail as though it was his own without the need to even know your password. Call your provider and either ask them to require authentication regardless of the caller ID. Spoofing your number is easy. There are a dozen websites that offer the service at a small fee. Number 7. Install an antivirus on your phone. Smartphones are now sophisticated just like our laptops. They can be installed with numerous programs because their capabilities. This gives viruses and malware to thrive. To protect your phone from risk of hacking, install an antivirus. Number 8. Use secure Wi-Fi links. Using Wi-Fi links which are not secure allows hackers to have a link to your phone. They can then start employing their tools of trade against your phone. Number 9. Avoid installing apps that you don't need or source cannot be trusted. Some apps available on the internet cannot be trusted. They may contain malware or suspicious code that may be used to remote control your phone, or even install third-party software which you may not have control over. Number 10. Avoid clicking on short URL WhatsApp links and messages. Messages that purport come from your contacts enticing to click on a shortened URL with promises of something nice like a software or an offer is a big red flag. Some of these messages will install hidden apps that allow remote access by hackers. Avoid clicking on these links, especially if there is a mismatch between the nature of the message and the character of the sender. Number 11. Encrypt your phone. By encrypting your phone, hackers will not be able to access your messages, calls, and other important information. Most Android devices are now encrypted automatically, although it depends on the type of phone. Conclusion. As they say, all systems can be broken into, given time. The best that we do is to make it difficult for potential hackers to get to your protected zone.